Hello Year 8 and welcome to your music class for this week. You will need paper, a pencil and your body to complete the tasks in this lesson. Lesson 1, we're going to be looking at pulse and rhythm. So a pulse is a steady beat, it is regular and it sounds like your heartbeat, or if you put your finger on your arm and feel your pulse, it's most of the time very steady. And a pulse is something that we need to keep all the musicians and performers together, and it is constant. I have found a really exciting performing group called Stomp. So now I need you to stop this video and go to your Google Classroom link called Stomp Bins and listen to it. So what did you think? Did Stomp keep a steady pulse? Absolutely right, they did. I think it's fair to say that all the performers in this group have a really strong sense of pulse, and without that they would just fall apart. So now we know what pulse is, let's move on to rhythm. What is a rhythm? Well, in music, a rhythm is a pattern of sounds of different lengths. A rhythm keeps the music driving on. A rhythm can be divided up into half beats, single beats, quarter beats, and then we can have lots of different rhythms going on at the same time, and that's called a polyrhythm. So let's see how we get on. So look at this simple rhythm. This number at the top, as most of you know, means there are 4 beats in each bar. So let's clap this simple rhythm after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now look at this rhythm. We still have our 4 beats in each bar, but this time we've got half beats in there. So let's clap this rhythm after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you get on? Let's try it again. If it helps, you can use the name of these notes to help you clap them. Quaver, quaver. So let's try it now. 3, 4. 1, quaver, 3, 4. 1, quaver, 3, 4. How did you get on? Well done. Now it's time to pause the video again. On your paper, write down the definition of pulse, the definition of rhythm, and what's the difference between pulse and rhythm in your own words. So let's look at what we have covered so far. We can now identify what pulse and rhythm are. We have been able to copy and perform a variety of rhythms. We have read some simple rhythmic notation. And before we go today, you're going to compose your own rhythm. Time to pause the video again. Fill in the answers just on your paper. So tell me what a crotchet is, draw what a crotchet looks like, and draw a bar of 4 crotchets. Now let's look at this rhythm. This is slightly more complicated because it has these signs in them, and this is our rest. As some of you know, this is our 1 beat rest called a crotchet rest. So let's have a go. 4 beats in a bar. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sh, 4. 1, 2, sh, 4. How did you get on? Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sh, sh. Well done. Now look at this rhythm. This has a mixture of crotchets, quavers, 1 beat rests. See how we get on. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh. Shh. How did you get on? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh. Shh. Very well done. Look at these 3 rhythms. Can you tell me which one I'm clapping? If you said A, well done. What about this one? Yes, that was C. Well done. Now over to you. You'll find this template on Google Classroom and you can print it out or download it there. Or you can just simply use your own paper and send me a photograph. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you've got for me. So in each of these bars, I want you to fill them with 4 beats. And using a selection of different rhythms that we have looked at in today's lesson, I want you to make your own 8-bar rhythm grid. You could even use different members of your household if you'd like to and get them to clap with you, or use different things that you find about the house, maybe a saucepan or cutlery, or if you've got drums at home or your own instrument, and you could put some notes, some notation to your rhythms. So good luck with that, and I look forward to seeing what you have for me.